Welcome to GPC online lecture. In this electrical engineering subject, we are going to deal today. We are going to learn one important topic, that is phase and line current, voltage, and power relations. So here, voltage, current, and power relations in a star connection. What is the relation between line and phase voltages, line and phase currents? We are going to learn in this. Here I am taking one star connection system. This is the R phase, R phase. Next, Y phase, Y. The current flowing in this Y phase is IY. This is the phase current, and the current flowing in this R phase is IR small r. This is the phase current. Next one is B phase. This is the B phase. The current flowing through this B is phase current is IB. These are the phase currents. If you see line currents, the current flowing in R phase is line current, that is IR, capital R. Current flowing in Y phase, line current, that is IL. Current flowing in B phase, the line current is IB. Okay, and next we are going to see voltage. Now here the voltage in this R phase is ER, and if we see the voltage here, the line voltage will be different. The line voltage, phase voltage, phase voltage, phase voltage or phase current. Phase voltage or phase current means here uh, the current flowing in one phase we say phase current, but line current means it will be between two lines, like that. Phase voltage means the current flowing in this R phase. Line voltage means this is the line voltage between these two phases. Now the line voltage here is ERY, but here phase current is IR, line current is IR. These two are same because this is a single line. IR equals to I small r equals to I capital R. This is the phase current, and this is only the line current. Similar to this, IY is equals to I capital Y, sorry, I capital Y, that is equals to I phase current and current in line. Similar to this, IB, current in B phase equals to IB, and current in line current in B phase is I capital B. This is the phase current and this is the line current. But if you see voltage, here the phase voltage, R phase voltage is E R. This is the phase voltage, when it comes to line, the line voltage is ERY. The phase voltage in Y is EY. The line voltage is EYB. The phase voltage in B phase is EB. Line voltage is EBR. Phase current and line current are same in star connection, but phase voltage and line voltage are different. Here Y, this is the Y. EYB, voltage between Y phase and B phase. Next one is voltage between EB and ER. EB and R. This is the line voltage. Now if you see the phasor diagram, the phasor diagram will be like this. Okay, this is the OR phase. Opposite to this is the, okay, let me write R phase, and this is Y phase. I already told in previous lectures, this RYB three phases are going to displaced with 120 degrees. B phase will come here. This is the EB phase voltage, and this is the ER phase voltage, and this is the EY. Okay, and similar to this, the reflecting voltage will be there, that is in opposite direction. This is the ER dash, sorry, this is ER dash, and for Y phases also there will be reflecting voltage, that is EY dash. For B phase also it will be similar. EB dash. Next, if we see line currents, and okay, let me draw one more here. Here you can see always the current is going to be lagging with respect to voltage, because in maximum cases the load will be inductive. In general, on power system the load will be inductive load. So this is the current that is flowing in R phase, and this is equals to line current. IR equals to I small r equals to I capital R. इसका मतलब ये है कि फेज करंट और लाइन करंट दो सेम है. यहाँ Y में the current in this y phase is I y small y, that is phase current is equals to line current I capital Y. Similar to this B, this is the B, IB, phase current in B is equals to line current. This is the current, phase current and phase voltage diagram. Now we are going to draw the line. Before drawing that line, I already told the angle between R and Y is 120 degree. Okay, this EB is cutting this exactly at center. 120 by 2, how much? 60. So the angle from here to here is 60. Okay, similar to this you can see up also. From here to here, this is 120, this 120 is splitted into half, this is 60. From here to here, this is 60. Total 120, half is 60. 60 degrees. Okay. Next, if we draw resultant for this one, now I am going to draw a parallel line to EY. This line is parallel to EY, and I am going to draw one more parallel line to ER. Skip parallel. Okay. Now this is the resultant of these two. The resultant is this one. This we say ERY. This ERY is the resultant voltage, that is line voltage between R and Y. Similar to this, if we extend this one, these two Y and B phases, here I am going to draw a similar line that similar to Y. Okay, and next parallel to B. I will get here Y, that is here Y we wrote R is, this is the positive, this is the positive R, and the Y is reflection or the resultant, so I kept it second. Here this is EYB, the resultant will come EYB, and next one more will come here. Now I am going to draw parallel line to R. ऐसा पैरेलल है, इसके जैसा मैं एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रा करूंगा, and I am going to draw one more parallel line to B. This is the B. Here I will get, we are going to, this is the R line voltage, this is Y line voltage. Next this is going to be the B line voltage, E B R, R Y, Y B, B R. So these are the line voltages, and if you see the angle here, this is total 120, is splitted into half, it will become 60. 60 is splitted into half, then it will come 30 degree. This is 30 degree. You need to remember this. And the angle between this phase voltage and current, this is, I am taking angle as phi. Okay, this is very important derivation for 6 marks. Now we are going to derive the relations for phase voltage and phase current, line voltage and line current, and power. Now you can see here. Now we'll see phase and line relation. This is the current. Here for current, this is phase. Just a second. Phase, and here it is line. Phase current is, in case of IR, this is phase current. Line current, this is IL. And phase current is in Y, that is IY. Here the line current is IY. Phase current, here it is IB. Here it is I capital B. In star connection, these two are equal. I small r equals to I capital R, I small y equals to I capital Y, I small b equals to I capital B. So we can say that phase current is equals to line current in star connection. And next we are going to see voltage, that is here phase and line. Here phase voltage in ER is, R phase is ER, and line voltage is ERY. Phase current in Y phase is EY, and line current is YB. Phase current in B phase is EB, line current is EBR. Here, sorry, voltages, phase voltage is not equal to line voltage. Okay, then what is the relation? Now we are going to see the relation between the phase and line. If we see the previous diagram, here we have R, that is ER, this is the IR, that is equals to capital IR, and this is the reflection of Y, that is E Y dash. So if we see, draw parallel line, this is like this, and I am going to draw one more parallel line to R phase. This is the resultant. This is ERY, and the angle is like this. Here the angle is 60 degree, and then the angle is 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. This is the phi. If you see this, this is a parallelogram. What is the resultant formula for parallelogram? Here we can see resultant of parallelogram. What is the resultant of parallelogram? We have formula, that is resultant R equals to square root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Means actually in this context, the resultant is the parallelogram is like this: p q, this is the resultant. Okay, if we apply this resultant formula to this diagram, now we will get what is the R resultant. This we have E R Y, that is E R Y. E R Y equals to square root of P. P is E R. Okay, E R square plus Q is E Y. E Y square plus 2 into E R into E Y into cos theta. Here the angle is 60 degrees. This is the 60 degrees. Between these two, the angle is 60 degrees. Okay, then we can write this ER is phase current as, sorry, this is the phase current, sorry, phase voltage. So this is E phase square plus E phase square plus 2 E phase into E phase cos 60. Cos 60 value, what is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2. Then here this 2 will get cancelled. Okay, now we have E phase into E phase, it will come E phase square. Now square root of E phase, here E phase square plus E phase square plus E phase into E phase square. Now we have square root of 3 E phase square. Square root will get cancelled. We will get root 3 into E phase. This is the relation E R Y. What is this E R Y? The E R Y is line voltage is equals to root 3 times of phase voltage. In case of delta connection, line current is equals to phase current and line voltage is equals to root 3 times of phase voltage. And next, if we see power formula, we have the formula for power. P equals to 3 into power supplied by each phase. Three into power supplied by each phase. What is the power supplied? Power formula VA cos phi. VA cos phi means E phase into I phase into cos phi. But when we convert these phase values into line values, 3 into E phase equals to EL equals to root 3 E phase. E phase is equals to root 3 by EL. Okay, here root 3 by, sorry, EL by root 3. E phase is equals to EL by root 3. E phase equals to EL by root 3 into I phase equals to I line into cos phi. Here how can we write 3? Can we write root 3 into root 3? 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3 into EL by root 3 into L. This is L. Sorry. IL cos phi. So root 3 will get cancelled. Now finally we have power formula. Power equals to root 3 EL into IL into cos phi. This is the power formula.